The free ReluxCAD for Revit plugin enables architects, lighting designers, and electrical planners to carry out professional, loss-free BIM lighting design. Access the integrated ReluxNet browser directly in Revit. Choose from thousands of luminaires from leading manufacturers and place them precisely in your Revit project. Planning sensors is just as easy. In the full version of the plugin, useful tools are available for the automatic placement of sensors, helping you achieve the defined coverage levels without manual fine-tuning. No more tedious IFC export loops. The plugin safeguards quality already during export, ensuring correct rooms and clean model logic without unpleasant surprises later on. The workflow is simple. The architect provides the exported RDF file to the lighting designer. The lighting designer then calculates the project in ReluxDesktop completely without data loss. Good to know, the luminaire database and the export function are completely free of charge. A third-party license is only required for calculations with third-party luminaires in ReluxDesktop. Check sensor detection ranges and define measurement surfaces as well as room uses in detail. Use smart tools such as EasyLux for the fast and standards-compliant placement of luminaires. This saves valuable planning time. The lighting designer returns the finished file to the architect. With just one click, the planning is imported back into Revit bidirectionally. This allows you to handle iterations and model updates without rework. Reliable results without data loss. Work smarter and more efficiently. Download ReluxCAD for Revit now free of charge. The full version can be tested free of charge for 30 days.